Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Ingage Presentations app works. Ingage is a dynamic presentation tool designed for businesses and professionals who need to create, share, and track interactive presentations. It blends visual storytelling with user-friendly editing tools, making it especially useful for sales teams, marketing professionals, and remote collaboration. The app allows users to build engaging presentations using drag-and-drop tools, animated transitions, and video embedding features. Unlike traditional slide tools, Ingage lets users create pages that feel more like interactive stories. You can add multimedia content, update presentations in real time, and share links instantly. One standout feature is the Analytics dashboard, which tracks how viewers interact with each slide, giving users insight into which parts of the presentation perform best. In terms of pros, many users highlight how polished and professional their presentations look when using the app. The collaborative features also make it easier for teams to work on materials together. Ingage syncs with cloud storage and integrates with CRM systems, which boosts productivity. On the downside, some users mention that the app has a learning curve for those new to advanced presentation tools, and others note that some features are locked behind a premium plan. Recent user reviews reflect a generally positive experience. Users say the app helps them close sales faster and impress clients with visually compelling content. However, a few have pointed out that the app can be sluggish at times on older iPads or when loading heavy media files. Still, the customer support team is often praised for being responsive and helpful. Overall, Ingage Presentations is a strong option for professionals who want more than just static slides. Its interactive tools, tracking features, and design flexibility make it a powerful alternative to standard presentation software, especially for users in sales or client-facing roles. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.